Comparison of dictionary variables. Now this is very important, how the comparison happens in case of multiple dictionary variables. Look at this output. I have declared 4 dictionary variables, D1, D2, D3 and D4 with certain key value pairs. In D1 we have 3, in D2 also 3. All have 3 key value pairs, but the mappings are different. For example, in case of D1, Pune is mapped with 12, Nagar is mapped with 12, Vapi is also mapped with 12. Okay. So now if I want to compare 2 dictionary objects, of course we can use equal to. So print D1 equal to D2. So I'm just trying to check whether D1 and D2 are same. So what is D1? D1 has 3 elements and D2 also has 3 elements. Now element by element we'll check. Pune is mapped with 12 in D1, but Pune is mapped with 13 in D2. So here itself I see some discrepancy and I can say that D1 is not equal to D2. So you can get the answer as false. Now I'll check D1 with D3. In case of D1 equal to D3, D1 and D3. So in D1, Pune is mapped with 12. In D3, Pune is mapped with 12. So don't go by order only, also go by the key value mapping. In D1, Nagar is mapped with 12 and in D3, Nagar is mapped with 12. In D1, Vapi is mapped with 12 and in D3, Vapi is mapped with 12. That means all keys and the respective values are same in case of D1 and D3. So you get D1 equal to D3 is true. Both are same. Now we are comparing D1 with D4. Now in case of D1 and D4, though we have 3 elements in D1, D4, Nagar 12, Vapi 12 is same. Even Pune 12 is same, but the spelling of Pune is different. In D4 it is Pune. Now we don't have a key with the name Pune in D4, or we don't have a key with name Pune in D1. We cannot say that D1 and D4 are same. So the output is false. So irrespective of the order, you have to just see whether all the keys are present in second object and whether the keys are associated with same values in second object. That means the both dictionary objects are same. Now we cannot use other than equal to or not equal to operators for comparison of 2 dictionary variables or 2 dictionary objects. Like we cannot use less than, greater than. If I try to use less than, greater than, say print D1 is greater than D2, we'll get a type error. What is a type error? This less than, greater than, in this case it is greater than, is not supported between the instances of dictionary and dictionary. So we cannot use less than and greater than to compare which one is bigger or greater or smaller dictionary in case of 2 dictionaries. So we can only use equal to and not equal to operators with dictionary objects for comparison of 2 dictionary objects.